Okay, that is the completed look for the Snow Angels palette. What do you think? I think I really like those colors. Much more than I thought I was going to like them. See that? I think it looks really pretty. It's a bit bold, and I didn't put falsies on this time, even though I put a bolder look on. I did put on my It Cosmetics Hero mascara. That is my favorite mascara. So that is my final look. I apologize, the fan is blowing and it gets in the lipstick, and I put a little bit of gloss on because I can't stand it when it's too dry for too long and my hair keeps wanting to catch in it. So there is the final look of the Snow Angels by Dose of Colors. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. I love you guys. Bye-bye.